holding off on the...
One eternity later.
what did we do, man? I feel like yesterday it was a very hectic day. Very windy. You can see today, just look at my palm tree. Very, very windy. But anyway, guys, so as you saw in the previous video, since yesterday was pretty much just sounds, I couldn't get over how loud this car was. As you saw in the previous video, unfortunately there was a lot of problems with the engine, the clutch, so we ended up switching a lot of things. We got stage 3 BTR cams. We had a full exhaust from the headers back from Speed Engineering. But another problem that we ran into at the end of it all was that whoever did the exhaust, that rectangular ugly exhaust that I had before, they removed the hangers, the original hangers. I don't know why, but they did. So hence why the car is so loud, because we don't have the mufflers on, we don't have the axle back exhaust on, so it's pretty much a straight pipe from the headers all the way back. So we're gonna try to fix that right now, and gonna go to just a regular exhaust shop so that they can just remove those, whatever the heck it has right now, and install some other hangers to fit the axle back. But anyway, I'll link all the products in the description down below so you guys can check them out. We have the LS3. So again, I was very upset on the previous video, so I really didn't record myself just talking, because I was pretty upset about all the problems that the car had. Again, as you saw in the previous video, the retainer was broken, the clutch was leaking a lot. The exhaust in the back was leaking. There was just a lot of problems. The end links on the left front wheel were broken. Engine, tranny, clutch, everything is perfect. Now what we're doing is just breaking in the clutch so that we can go tune pretty soon here, and hopefully we'll be in the 500s. Not guaranteed, but hopefully we're in the 500s. But yeah, so again, we just installed BTR cams stage 3. We installed the Speed Engineering headers, axle back, and the X pipe. So everything's swapped out from the headers all the way back, and we got the ACT clutch that's rated for 1200 horsepower or 1200 torque. And yeah, so it sounds freaking amazing, as you've been hearing since yesterday. I didn't talk at all. Today's the next day. I didn't talk at all. It was just I just didn't have words. It was so loud. It sounds so mean. There's no words. America, baby. So yeah, we're gonna try to go to a shop and see if they can install some type of hangers in the back so that we can install the axle back exhaust and make it a little bit quieter. It's gonna be stupid loud still, but not as loud as it is right now. So we're gonna head over there and hopefully get the exhaust hangers on the car. Yeah, you guys are gonna tag along and let's get it, boys. Yeet. What's up, guys? Welcome back. Well, as you guys can see, exhaust is installed. Not the best looking installation, I guess we can say. Maybe the kit was a little bit defective, but we have to keep in mind that we don't have the original hangers. Whoever changed the exhaust last time, they replaced the hangers for some other hangers, so we don't have those hangers. Maybe that's the problem, but what I'm probably gonna do is I'm probably gonna go buy the hangers, all 4 of them that go in the rear, and replace the crap that they put back there, and then we'll go from there, I guess. Enough of it. I can just leave the car on all day and I can just enjoy the chop. It's just like an RX-7 and the Brap with the rotaries, you know, the Doritos. So I mean, even though we sold the RX-7, we got the LS3, which kind of makes similar sound, just with a V8 instead of a 4-cylinder, or I guess a 1.3 liter engine with a rotary. But yeah, guys, this is pretty much it, guys. We'll jump on to the sound clips. Until next time, peace out.